information about the birds. This one's the Whipbird. This one's the Bell Miner. I wonder if this eastern Whipbird is the bird that makes the sound like what we heard at Port Macquarie, the Sea Acres forest we went through. Been hearing this bird call, but oh, there it is. I feel like it could be that bird. Little bellbirdies. Oh, I see one of the birds here. He is so far up the tree though. Actually tiny. So tiny I've lost him. Oh no, there he is. It's just in the middle of this tree. Oh, that was clear.